Hi, and welcome back to the 12 Weeks of Christmas video series. I launched this program 7 weeks ago in an effort to give people ideas on things that they can do with their photos to create special, personalized, and memorable gifts this holiday season. We are 5 weeks away from Christmas. So if you haven't started your shopping, then now is probably the time, and good thing we've got Black Friday coming up in just a few days. Today's gift idea actually isn't a gift. It's wrapping paper. Did you know that you could personalize wrapping paper and put people's photos on it? It is super fun on Christmas morning to have the kids come down and see themselves as the wrapping. Or when you take a gift over to a family member's and they are the subject of the wrapping paper. It's super fun. Nobody even wants to unwrap their gifts when the wrapping paper is personalized to them. So the two places that I found that do this is personalizationmall.com and Zazzle.com. And you can upload your own photos and then wrap your gifts in this really personalized and fun wrapping paper. So if you haven't bought any gifts or created anything super special like books or ornaments or any of the other gifts that I've suggested, go ahead and make some wrapping paper. It'll be super fun to unwrap those gifts on Christmas morning. So good luck on using your photos this holiday season, and stay tuned for more ideas next week.